It's 5 a.m. So what do? I start working. This is stuff that's mostly on Gumtree already. These boxes are going out to Thailand at some point. But first we've got that suitcase there, that plastic box there, that plastic box there, the black trunk underneath, that's all got to be shipped. And also that bamboo trunk there. But what do I do when I first wake up and ready to work? Is I've got to select items that I can put on Gumtree. All that's not currently on Gumtree. Now, I might go one US cap. I might go that one, Crusher cap. Let's have a look down there. Large document group. Leggings, I don't really need those. What else have we got? Camera. Old German camera. Right, we've got 5 big items there already. Let's have a look. What else can we put on Gumtree? Actually, we've got a few slouch hats there. I'll put one slouch hat on as well. Then I'll go and get small stuff. I've got other small stuff outside already selected. Yeah, I've got quite a few small things outside. So I'll stick with those big items. There's always stuff to put on. This is being sent to Thailand as well. Anyway, let's have a look what we're going to put on. US Vietnam War Colonel's hat. World War II visor cap, Crusher cap, Air Force. A really rare document group. Light horse leggings. Nice slouch hat. Vintage camera. So we'll start with those, and I've got a bunch of other small items as well. And that'll get me started. And then I'll eat at about 7 o'clock and have a shave. Look at that, terrible.